In front of me is XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, tap on My Device at the top and choose Device Name section. Following that, you can type in whatever you wish to. When you're ready, click on this X at the top left corner to discard your changes, or save them by clicking on this check mark at the top right one. So when I click, as you can see, name of my smartphone has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!